My dear students, today I am going to explain you one question from the circle. The question is, in the figure given beside, the sides AB, BC and CA of a triangle ABC touch a circle with center O and radius R at P, Q and R respectively. Prove that first AB plus CQ equals to AC plus BQ. And second, area of triangle ABC equals to 1 by 2 into perimeter of triangle ABC into radius. Okay, this is the diagram. ABC, the triangle here. Okay, and BC is the tangent which is touching the circle at Q. Then AB is another tangent which is touching the circle at P, and AC is the third tangent which is touching the circle at R, and O is the center. So here O, R, O, Q and OP became the radius of this circle. Sorry. Now solution is first number. We know that lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So here you find that external point is A, and from A, AP and AR that are the tangents drawn from the external point. And so AP equals to AR. In the same way, B is the external point, and from B, two tangents BQ and BP are drawn. So BQ equals to BP, because we know that when from an external point tangents are drawn on the circle, they are equal. So here B is the external point, and from B two tangents BQ and BP are drawn, so they are equal. Similarly, C is the external point, and from C two tangents CQ and CR are drawn, so they are also equal. Here those tangents which are equal to each other, they have been given strokes here, triple stroke. So CQ equals to CR, both have been given triple strokes. BQ equals to BP, both are double stroked. And AP is equals to AR, here it is single stroke. That means they are equal. Okay, so we write here AB plus CQ equals to AP plus PB plus CQ, because AB has AP plus PB. AP and PB lie on AB. That's why in place of AB we have written AP plus PB plus CQ. And just now I told that AP equals to AR and PB equals to BQ. So here instead of PB we write BQ. Now AR plus BQ plus CQ. Now again you find that CQ equals to CR. So AR and CR in the bracket we write in place of CQ. So AR plus CR, and BQ is outside the bracket. And AR plus CR by adding we get AC plus BQ. So AB plus CQ equals to AC plus BQ. Left hand side equals to right hand side. So this is the first proof that we got. Now, second proof. Area of triangle ABC equals to area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle OAB plus area of triangle OAC. Here in this figure you find ABC is the largest triangle in which three triangles are there: BOC, AOC and AOB. And if we add the area of all these triangles, all these three triangles, then we get the area of triangle ABC. Okay, and then so I have written here area of triangle ABC equals to area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle OAB plus area of triangle OAC. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind, that since tangents are perpendicular on radius, that is OQ perpendicular BC, OR perpendicular AC, and OP perpendicular AB. Here OQ is the radius and BC is the tangent. So OQ is perpendicular on BC. OR is the radius, AC is the tangent. So OR is perpendicular on AC. OP is the radius, AB is the tangent. So OP is perpendicular on AC. And now we are putting the values, and you know that area of a triangle is half into base into height. Here height is the radius. So for triangle OBC, it is area is 1 by 2 into BC into OQ, plus for triangle OAB 1 by 2 into AB into OP. AB is the base and OP is the perpendicular, which is radius. And for triangle OAC, half into AC into OR. Here AC is the base and OR is the perpendicular. And then you find that OQ, OP and OR are radius. So we are writing R for that. So 1 by 2 into BC into R plus 1 by 2 into AB into R plus 1 by 2 into AC. Now 1 by 2 into R I am taking common because it is present in all these three terms. There are three terms, and in all these three terms R into 1 by 2 is common. So this is taken out common, and then in the bracket it is left BC plus AB plus AC. And this is the sum of all the three sides, and you know that sum of all the three sides is the perimeter of a triangle. And so we get here 1 by 2 into perimeter of triangle ABC into radius. Hence proved. That only we had to prove. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.